हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आई एग्जाम बी। आरबीआई ग्रेड बी लीगल ऑफिसर का नोटिफिकेशन बहुत जल्द ही आने वाला है। लास्ट ईयर द नोटिफिकेशन केम आउट इन February and the exam was on 10th of April. As per a clipping which has been circulating on the social media, लॉ ऑफिसर ग्रेड बी में दो वैकेंसीज हैं. So there are two posts of RBI grade B legal officer as per this clipping. This is grade B scale 2 level position, and as per this the online application form will be available from January 15th to February 4th, and the tentative date for online written exam is March of 6 2022. Let's quickly have a look at the eligibility criteria at the exam pattern. So the scheme of exam has only two phases, one written exam and the other is your interview. In the written exam, there are two papers. Paper 1 is your law and paper 2 is English. In paper 1, there are again two parts, objective and descriptive. Objective part mein there will be 15 questions of 30 marks. There is no negative marking. And in the descriptive part, there will be 4 questions with subsections. Total marks will be 120 of descriptive. And in paper 2 English, there will be essay, précis, comprehension, drafting of report, letter or circular of 100 marks. Now what is the eligibility criteria? The age required is 21 to 32 years, which is relaxable by 3 years in case of LLM and 5 years in case you are PhD in law. Bachelor degree in law is required with minimum of 50% marks and 45% for SC, ST, PWBD. And there is experience required, a minimum experience of 2 years. This experience can be as an advocate, legal consultant, legal assistant, associate in an advocate's or solicitor's office, or law firm after being enrolled with the Bar Council. You could also be experienced as a law officer in the legal department of a large bank, financial institution, statutory corporation, company, state, central government, or you can be a full-time teacher in a law college or university teaching law. So all this is the eligibility criteria. If you look at the syllabus of paper 1, these are the following topics that are mentioned in the notification from which the questions will mostly come. However, the syllabus is only indicative and not exhaustive. There could be questions from other acts as well, but majorly the questions are from these areas only. At iExamB's website, you can find previous year paper and you can have a look at what kind of questions appeared in the previous year. We at iExamB provide you RBI Grade B Legal online course, and the important features in this course are video lessons, practice questions, study notes, study plan, 5 practice tests for people 1, 5 practice tests for people 2. There are mock tests for descriptive English and legal, and at the end there is interview guidance as well. Now since the exam is expected to be conducted on 6th of March, there are only 2 months remaining and you have to be prepared for the descriptive part of the paper as well. To check your level of preparation, you can also attempt mock test on our website. All iExamB mock tests are free at www.iexamb.com. We have designed the online course based on the syllabus. In our RBI Grade B online course, you will see that in phase 1, there is only phase 1. You will have 2 sections, legal and descriptive English. And you will have all the content available in order to study for this exam. Now the question that comes to mind is, how are we going to help you prepare for the descriptive part of your exam? जो पेपर 1 है, that is your law paper, उसमें part 2 descriptive है. उसके questions have to be written on the paper and that sheet has to be submitted at the exam center. So how? At iExamB in our online course, we help you prepare for this descriptive paper. This is a view of our mock test. In the mock test, first you will attempt these 15 objective questions, and after that, once you submit, the descriptive paper will appear on the screen. You'll write down the answers on the sheet, you will scan those sheet, and once you submit the test over here, you can upload the file and then you can submit your entire test. And then our expert legal faculty provides you detailed solution for your answers along with feedbacks, and in this way we help you prepare for descriptive part of your exam. If you have any query with respect to this exam or any other law exam, you can write to us at hello@iexamb.com. You can also call us on the number mentioned on the screen. Subscribe to our channel to get updated information relating to any upcoming government exam. Thank you so much.